Chapter 1. Plant reproduction. Answer the following. Name some flowering and non-flowering plants. Answer. Flowering plants are example bitter gourd, papaya, orange, watermelon, etc. Non-flowering plants are ferns, pine tree, liver roots, mosses, etc. What are dicots or dicotyledons? Plants and monocots or monocotyledons. Plants are differentiate between dicots or dicotyledons plants and monocotyledon plants. Answer. Plants that produce seeds with two cotyledons are called dicotyledons. Plants are dicots. Examples bean, mango, apple, groundnut, etc. Plants produce seeds with one cotyledon are called monocots or monocotyledons plants. Example maize, paddy, ragi, wheat, etc. What is germination or define germination? The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. What does a seedling need to grow into a healthy plant? Answer. A seedling needs proper amount of water, warmth, air, sunlight and fertile soil to grow into healthy plants. Explain the process of germination of seeds with a label diagram. Example. When the seed germinates, the roots grow downwards in the soil. The shoot grows upwards towards light. The roots get bigger and new leaves grow on the shoot. Diagram. Embryo, seed coat, cotyledon, foliage, leaves. Dispersal by water. Example coconut, hydrilla, lotus. Dispersal by explosion. Example lady's finger, peas, etc. Describe two ways of seed dispersal. Dispersal by explosion. In some plants, such as lady's finger and peas, the dried fruit explodes, spreading the seeds away from the mother plants. Dispersal by water. Seeds of plants that grow in or near water bodies are carried away by the water to different places. For example, coconut may drift from several months in the sea before reaching land. Seeds of water plants such as hydrilla, lotus and water lily are light and spongy. Therefore, they float on water and carried to far away places by flowing water. Topic. New plants from roots, stems and leaves. How do non-flowering plants produce new plants? Answer the following. What is vegetative propagation or vegetation reproduction? Examples. New plants are formed from the roots, stem or leaves is known as vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. Explain with example the different parts of a plant from which new plants can grow. Answer. New plants grow from roots of plants containing food. Example carrot, radish, sweet potato, etc. New plant arises from the buds on the leaf margin when it falls on moist soil. Example Bripfolium, begonia. New plants grow from underground or edible stem. Example potato, ginger, onion, banana, turmeric, etc. Cactus, sugarcane, rose, hibiscus, money plant grow from stem cutting of the mother plant. How do non-flowering plants produce new plants? Describe with an example. Answer. Trees such as cedars, firs and pines are non-flowering plants. They produce cones with seeds. The seeds give rise to new plants. Name some trees which produce cones. Example cedars, firs and pines are some trees produce cones. Topic. Crops and agriculture. Answer the following. What are crops? Plants that are grown in large quantities in a particular area or region during a particular seasons are called crops. Water, rabi and kharif crops give example or differentiate between rabi and kharif crops. Answer: crops that are grown from November to April are called rabi crops. Example: wheat, pulses, etc. Crops that are grown from June to October are called kharif crops. Example: maize, jawar, rice, etc. What is agriculture? Answer: the practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purpose is called agriculture. List the steps followed by farmers to grow crops. Answer: the steps followed by farmers to grow crops are: till the soil and add manure to the field, sow seeds of good quality, irrigate, water the crops at regular intervals, remove weeds, wild plants that grow in the field, spray chemical pesticides to destroy plant pests. Certain insects and fungi that destroy plants are called plant pests. Protect the crop from grazing animals. Harvest: the process of gathering manure crops at a proper time and store it till the produce in soil is in the market. What is granaries? Answer: dry grains and pulses are stored in large rooms are called granaries. Keywords: dicotyledon, embryo, germination, seedling, monocotyledons, radicle, plumule, spores, seed dispersal, vegetative propagation, granaries, fertilizers,